these things. Runs great. Regular wear and tear. Don't lowball me. I know what I have. Must be good. Alright, we'll look at this one.
You here for the YFC?
Yo, man, listen, I'm telling you, this thing is dope. It runs great.
Alright.
What do you think?
This is the same one in the pictures?
Yeah, it's the same one.
Alright, I mean, can we start it at least?
Oh, no. Battery's dead.
You have like a jumper box or like a spare battery or nothing lying around this place?
No. Nope, not in this shop.
So we've been here before, John and I, but we had a different machine. So John, what's the most powerful side-by-side you've ever ridden?
Your Ranger 500.
The Ranger 500. So the Ranger probably had like 35 horsepower. This has probably 115, 120. Probably 120 today because it's like 40 degrees out. So John's going to rip it for the first time. He hasn't even been a passenger in it.
Nope, haven't touched it yet until I just adjusted the seatbelts.
Dude, so it's pretty simple. You got to, when you fire it up, you just literally go to this on, let it prime, and then fire it up. Your belt temp is going to be here. It won't overheat. It didn't even go over 140 for me today. And then we'll just flip up sport mode. You're in 4-wheel drive. You probably won't even be able to tell the difference right now because it's so slippery.
Okay.
But otherwise, you just make sure it's in gear. Give it a couple pumps of the gas because if it clanks into gear, that's like a characteristic of it. It's just the nature of the beast. But it's been going pretty smooth. But just make sure it's in gear all the way. Give it a couple pumps. Make sure it's set and you're good to go.
Okay. Let's rip it.
All right.
Wow, that's quick. Snappy.
You got to admit, man, that thing sounds really good. The V-twin is just awesome. If you guys want to see the exhaust, I actually built that out of some cheapy Chinese, like universal mufflers. And it's kind of a good day for the Maverick with all the snow and stuff because we got the 4-wheel drive. The Banshee, we got John's Banshee here if you guys haven't seen it. This is a 472. Oh, here it comes. like 225.
Oh, okay. I was just get worried because I don't know enough
194.
about
That's not
UTVs.
bad, dude, because you were getting on it pretty good there.
Yo, the only thing it's different from the four-wheeler because the four-wheelers are low to the ground, so the top it's like you're higher center of gravity. It kind of changes how you feel when you're going for the donut.
Yeah, there's no body language. You know what I mean?
But man, this thing is so much fun to rip, man.
Dude, I can hear you yelling coming down. I heard you say, Mike, you gave this to the wrong guy.
Yeah, I did. This thing is so much fun, dude. It's a beast. I need one so bad. All right, one more quick one.
God, dude, yeah. John. Yeah, John don't want to get off it. See if I can get a couple good shots here. Maybe we'll get a little bit of drone footage. It is a beautiful day. He's got some air there. You're good. You're good. Yeah, this is where Bitch was. They knocked it down.
I remember now. Came flying through on the Ranger.
Dude, remember the Ranger was like, I was barely making it up.
Please make it, please make it. I love the pop.
The backfires, yeah. Bro, that's legit. I don't think it even went above 220, and that was a long ass donut.
Yep, that was really long.
Hell yeah, dude. You gotta love this thing, man.
Dude, this thing is so beast. Seriously.
Oh shit.
I want one.
Dude, it just makes me want to not sell it, honestly.
Like, I'll tell you what, guys, this here is the first time I've driven a real performance-based UTV. I got to drive